Hey guys, so today we're going to be going in and I'm going to be showing you my top 5 lip balm slash treatment slash lip products. If you could see how many I have, I'm a little ashamed, but you got to do a lot of trial and error before you find your favorite ones. So here are my top 5 super loved lip products. So my first ones are the Fenty Skin Plush Puddings. I have 2 of them. I want Fenty to come back out with the black cherry version because it is my favorite. I am almost out. I am out of the oil. I got it with the little set that it came in. It's so sad. I love it so much. And then the other one is the caramel one, the salted caramel. Very delicious. Love that it's part of the permanent line. Wish the black cherry was part of the permanent line, but I digress. It is a really good formula. It's super thick and super moisturizing. I'm gonna swatch one for you. It's a twist top. It pops out at the top. As you can see, the black cherry one looks like so. It's super shiny. In fact, I'll put some on now over what I have on my lips. All right, and then the salted caramel one I'm gonna put next to that. Looks like that when it comes out. Super thick, very luxurious. We're gonna put that one right next to the black cherry one. It almost comes out clear, has a little bit of a beigey undertone. The smell is glorious. The taste is glorious. I will be honest, if you have them for a little too long, they do kind of go down that weird like smell type thing. I mean, but I usually don't have them for that long because I'm using them so often. All right. And then the next one that I love is the Mario Badescu lip mask, specifically in the acai and vanilla flavor. It is the bomb. It is just clear. Smells so good. It smells so good. That one is a very thick jelly kind of, almost Vaseline-y, but not in a bad way. That one looks like that. It's so reflective and so luxurious. I actually found out that I loved this like a while ago, and I put it in one of the squeezy tubes for easy application. That was a long time ago on my TikTok. I showed you guys how to do that. But my gosh, it is so good. And also, I went through that whole entire squeezy tube, so you know it's good. You know it's good. Again, that is the Mario Badescu lip mask. They have other flavors as well. They're all good. My favorite is just the vanilla acai. And yeah. All right, there is something in my nose. It was a cat hair. Okay, so the next 3 are in squeezy tubes, and I love them. This one is actually kind of new to me. I just recently discovered this one. This is the Personal Day Emotional Support Lip Balm. Looks like that. So much shine, which I love in a lip product, especially if I'm trying to make it hydrating. Has to. This one says on the back that it has squalene, hyaluronic acid, and aloe in it, which I wish every lip product did, like to tell you like what is in them. All right, top 2. These are my top 2 lip balms, guys. These are my 2 most used lip balms by far in all of the flavors, all of the scents. So the first one is the Le Chou Chou by Edam. This is, I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's freaking viral everywhere. It is one of my favorite lip balms. I love the metal applicator. The only thing I will say is I wish the scent of it was a little bit different. I can see where they're going for or where they're coming from with the sweet smell that they want it to be. By the way, this one has a flavor. I already told you that one, but this one is fragrance free. The Personal Day is fragrance free and scent free and flavor free. Like it's nothing. It's just hydration for your lips, and that's all it is. So this one is in Butter Mochi. It's their clear. I think they say it's supposed to smell like berries. I kind of get it. I do. I kind of smell the undertone, but I wish it was different. I wish they came out with like, I love sweet, like cake, vanilla flavored lip balms. Those are my favorites. I wish they had something like that. But with that being said, this is still one of my favorite lip balms. Top 5 to be exact. and I love the application of it. Let's put this on the hand. This one is also very thick. Looks like so. You can see it on the back of the hand. Very, very nice. They all, by the way, last for a pretty long time when it comes to lip treatments. And then my number one used lip balm is the Ole Hendrickson. This is the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. I cannot tell you how much I love this. I love it so much that I have probably had and owned different flavors, probably 6 of them, and that is saying a lot for me. I have went through and like the whole tube twice of one of them and rebought the flavor, creme brulee being one, and then the other one was, oh my goodness, what was the other one? I think it was their boysenberry. Is it boysenberry? I think one of the, it's like a berry scent, and I loved that one as well. But this one in particular is newer, and it is the vanilla bonbon, and it smells so good, like buttercream icing, like a homemade truffle white chocolate. It's honestly, it's glorious. It smells so good, feels so good, and honestly, one of my favorite lip balms. So let's put this on the back of the hand. It is definitely thick, which again, I love and I look for in a lip balm slash lip treatment, and super, super shiny. Love it so much. There's so many lip products on my lips right now. Ooh, this says cocoa and butter, acai, sterols, and peptides in the treatment itself, which is great. And yeah, those are my top lip balms. Some good mentions that didn't quite make the list are the Super Peptide Glossy Lip Treatment from Essence. This thing is amazing as well. It's $5. It's $5. $5, and it comes in I think 3 or 4 different scents slash flavors. Love that one. And then I also love the Laneige Lip Glowy Balms. Those are really amazing as well, but again, didn't quite make my list for top 5, but are still really, really good. If you guys have any recommendations of lip treatments, lip balms, you know, hydration for the lips that you love, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to try them. And I will see you guys in my next video. All right. I love you guys and have a great day. Bye. Mwah.